Hey all, this is John with a new how-to video. This latest how-to is all about replacing those backgrounds with a little dash of sunglass magic on top. So let's get into it.
Open your photo in Photoshop Elements and click on Guided at the top of your window. Scroll down and find Replace Background under Special Edits. Next, click the Select Subject button. Wow, that was easy. We'll choose a new background by importing a photo we found on Adobe Stock. Yeah, that's looking good. Now let's go into Advanced mode and mess with their sunglasses. Let's open up our Layers panel so we can get a look at what we're working with. Click on the Auto Selection tool and choose Quick Selection down in the Tool Options panel. Now let's click and drag over the sunglass lenses to make our selection. Drag the background image layer onto the new layer icon to duplicate it. Then let's drag it above our subject. Let's mask the background image to our selection by clicking on the Add a Mask icon. Make sure your background image is selected. Unlink the mask by clicking on the small chain icon. Use the Zoom tool to zoom out. Then choose Image, Transform, and Free Transform. Drag the bounding box corners to resize the image within our mask. Click the check mark when it looks good. We'll reduce the opacity of our layer, blending it slightly with the original image. Cool. Have fun replacing those backgrounds. See you next time.